everyone, welcome to this new session on Excel. Now in this session we will see how we can get different date and time format using Excel. Now let us go ahead and deep dive into the Excel and see what are the things we can explore there. Now over here if you can see I have jotted down some of random data that is in date and time format. Okay, it's basically in day, month and year format. Using this different format, we will see how we can convert this particular data into different format. Now, the first format is I have to convert this date, month and day into year, month and date. So before moving on to the format, I have to copy this data to different cells. So I'll just copy and paste it in different cells. So it will be easy for me to convert it and show you the difference also. So let us go ahead and see the first format. So select the first format, then right click on that. Okay, then search for format cell. Now, what is the format I want over here? The format which is required is year, month, and date, isn't it? So I will just search for that format. So how will I get it? I just have to click and select this whole cell, right click on it, then go to format cell, then click on date, and then I have to search for the desired format which I want. That is year, month, and date. Once I got that format, I will click on OK. So you can see how smoothly we have converted date, month, and year to year, month, and date. Okay. Now let's move forward and see the second format. So to convert the second format, repeat the same step. Select the whole data, right click on it, select the whole data. Okay, right click on it, go to format cell. Okay, and then go to custom. And over here, what is the format that I want? I want month and year, isn't it? So I will go ahead and search for custom. Once I got the custom option, I will search for the format that is month and year. Once I get the month and year format, I will click on OK. So you can see how easily I have also converted into the format 2. Now, this is the format 3 is a little bit different one. Here I want which day it is, date, month and year. So for that, you have to select the cell, right click on it, go to format cell, and then click on date and search for the day, year, month, and year format. Okay, click on that. So you can see how easily we have converted this. Okay, so this was your third format. Now let us see how we can convert this into the fourth format. Now, what does my fourth format is saying? My fourth format is talking about date, month, year, hour, and minute. So same thing, click on this data, right click, go to format cell, go to custom, and there search for the desired format, that is day, month, year, hours, and minute. Click on that and you can see how easily we have converted this into the fourth format. Now with this, we came to end of this today's Excel topic. So I hope it was clear to you and the information was valuable to you. Thank you. We'll see you in the next lecture.